So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see the front view, the side view, the back view. You can see the dropping at the back, the dropping effect. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a beautiful multi-pleated turban cap. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now I'll be using this crepe fabric for it. Okay, this is a full body pleated turban cap, or you can call it multi-pleated turban cap. So measurements I'll be working with, the length, which is the head circumference, I'll be using 26 inches. Okay, then for the length, because it's full body pleat, I need a very big fabric to pleat to get what I want. So I'll be using, either you use 60 inches or 50 inches, but to be on a safer side, use 60 inches so that even if you finish pleating and you notice that it's big, you can go ahead and trim it off. So we'll be working with 26 inches for the head circumference, and for the width we'll be using 60 inches. Let's go ahead and cut it out. Now for the length, which is the head circumference, that is the round neck, I'll be using the stretchy part. This is the stretchy part, while this side is non-stretchy part. So for the length, which is 26 inches, this 26 inches here. Then for the width I'm using is 60 inches. So I'm using the full length, complete full length. So I'll go ahead and cut out 60 inches of width and 26 inches for the length. I'm using 26 inches. Normally we do cut 24 inches because I want it to have a drop effect at the back. Okay, for the drop effect I'll add extra 2 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I'm done cutting it out. You can see. So the next thing I'll do, I now have a long pieces of fabric here. The next thing I'll do is to start sewing. Okay, just want to make sure that this side is good. Now the next thing is the sewing aspect of it. I'll turn it from the wrong side, then I'll fold in 1.5 inches. Okay, as the first one, which will serve as my band. Okay, I'm folding in 1.5 inches. Then I'll top stitch. After top stitching on it, the next thing I'll do is just to go ahead and pleat. So while pleating, make sure that it's on a straight line. Just go ahead and pleat. If you want it to be 1 inches, just depending on how you want it. Okay, just go ahead and pleat. See. So I'll get my sewing machine to show you exactly what I mean. So guys, this is the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side. So we are starting from the first pleat, which I'll be pleating with 1.5 inches. Okay, just go ahead and sew through 1.5 inches. You can as well measure it with your tape. Okay, you can do 1.5, you can do 1/4. Okay, just go ahead and sew I'm working on the first plant, which is the band. So this is the first one. I'll go ahead and paint the second one. At this point, you'll be pleating with 1 inch, okay? Make sure you're folding. If you check, if you bend, you can see the edge of the folding. Make sure it's up to 1 inch. Okay, I'll pleat it down. Make sure your sewing is at the edge, okay? By the time you fold it, you feel the edge of the folding here. The same way you pick another one. This is how you pleat until you are done with all the fabric, okay? I'll go ahead and pleat all of them, and I'll show you the last part of it. So guys, after planting, this is how it looks. You can see the overlapping, how beautiful it is. So the next thing is to close it up. So remember I said I wanted to have a dropping effect. So I'll go ahead and measure 10.5 inches. This 10.5 inches here. So after sewing through this point, that first line which I'm using as my band, I'll then take it down and start closing it up with half an inch, like so. Okay, I'll close it up like so, then after which I'll then cover it up at the back. You can use your sewing machine or you can use your hand needle and thread, whichever one that works for you. Okay, your machine can sew through, just sew through. After closing it up here, take it down, and so I will do that, then I'll show you the final picture. Now I've closed up the first side, which is the band side, then I will take it in. So the excess I have here, to differentiate what I'm talking about, the excess I have here is 1.5. You can see from the band side I measured 2 inches, so it will serve as my band, the 2 inches. So I stopped there at the 2 inches. I'll take it down to this place, then I'll start sewing with half an inch. I'll just make it, so I'll take it in. Then I'll now close it up with half an inch. So I've closed it up at this point. So after closing it, the next thing is to close up the back opening. The next thing I'll do is to make a gather first at this back. Then I'll back stitch again. I'll secure it. This for the back. Then I'll continue from this side. Stopping at this point. The band side. Make sure you don't make it too tight and it's not too loose. Okay. Always ensure that when you are making a running stitches on a cap, don't allow it to go off the seam line. It's at the excess you make the running stitch, not inside the cap, okay, that it will not affect the main cap. I'll go ahead and secure it. After making it, this is how it looks. I'll put it on my dummy hair for you to see the picture of how it looks. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see the front view, the side view, the back view. You can see the dropping at the back, the dropping effect. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Just drop your comment. How do you feel about this video? Drop your comment at the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye until I see my next video.